Such a cute bob style with a color change. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be checking out some beautiful hair transformations. So we move on to the next one. It looks like the stylist is doing some layers here. Beautiful shoulder length lob style or mid-length cut with the curtain bangs. And this of course has been one of the hottest hair trends that we have managed to see this season. A lot of layers and of course the curtain bangs. So then we move on to someone who has very long waist length hair. Her hair is so gorgeous. I love the thickness that she has, the length. But she decides to switch things up by cutting some of her hair off. Oh, she ended up getting more like a layered haircut. Very nice. And I love the fact that she still decided to keep her hair in its natural curly state. Next up, we see someone here with some grown out color. She decided to try out the money piece highlight trend. Beautiful face framing color, nice dimension throughout, gorgeous. Now if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. And here we see someone with some grown out color. Hair is about mid-length or so. Wow. Oh, I love this. This is like so unicorn inspired hair. Beautiful gray at the top, moving into the pink dip dyed ends. This is gorgeous. Next up, we see someone in for a cut refresh. She gets some color added. Oh, she went darker, got the baby bangs and a nice bob. Very cute. And then we see someone once again with mid-length hair. And she gets a nice fresh bob makeover. Beautiful bottleneck bangs going there in the front. Next up, we have someone with hair just around their shoulders. Oh, wow, look at this beautiful bob. Oh, I love this makeover. Very nice. I love the colors sprinkled in as well. Gorgeous. Next up, we have another bob haircut. This one features some bangs. Followed by another shoulder length bob style. Very nice bangs to frame out her face as well. So here we have a style that is a little bit more modern. I believe she is going to be getting the wolf cut with this particular style. Beautiful. Great way to add some shape to your strands. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.